Hello, welcome to the AutoCAD tutorials by MCG CAD Works. These tutorials will be in English as well as Hindi. So जो हिंदी में समझ सकते हैं वो हिंदी में समझ लें, and for those who understand English will understand these in English. So as it is our first video, I introduce myself. I am Viraj and I am here to teach you AutoCAD. AutoCAD tutorials and MCG CAD Works has made the thing simpler to download the AutoCAD. We would cover the basic steps from downloading the AutoCAD till creating the drawings from it, till creating the 3D products from it. And in this we will be using AutoCAD version 2020 64-bit. Now I will tell you how to download it. हम कैसे डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं AutoCAD को, मैं आपको वो बता देता हूँ. AutoCAD उससे पहले कि हम इसे डाउनलोड करें, before downloading the AutoCAD, I will tell you about the history of the AutoCAD. So AutoCAD is basically a software which stands for the computer aided design, and the word auto means the system which is doing it automatically. So AutoCAD is a software application developed by the Autodesk. Autodesk एक कंपनी है जिसने डेवलप करा था AutoCAD के सॉफ्टवेयर को. From being started from 1982 to its recent version of the 2021, AutoCAD has launched 35 of its version. From Autodesk there are many programs, but specifically for the AutoCAD जो स्पेशल इनका जो सॉफ्टवेयर है जो कि ड्राफ्टिंग ड्राइंग वगैरह के लिए काम आता है, उसके अभी तक 35 वर्जन्स जो हैं वो लॉन्च हो चुके हैं. द फादर ऑफ द AutoCAD वाज जॉन वॉकर, जिन्होंने अपनी 15 को फाउंडर्स विद द हेल्प ऑफ द 15 को फाउंडर्स उन्होंने जो है वो AutoCAD के सॉफ्टवेयर को जो है वो लॉन्च करा. 35 ईयर्स हो चुके हैं AutoCAD को टोटली, and it has launched many things: AutoCAD for civil, AutoCAD for electrical, AutoCAD civil 3D, etc and etc. And from Autodesk there are many other softwares like the Eagle, SolidWorks is one of that kind, and everything else. The AutoCAD application was initially specifically was created for the mechanical engineers. जो तैयार की गई थी वो mechanical engineers के लिए की गई थी, but after evaluating it was available for the civil, electrical and other trades also. So AutoCAD is mainly the work of the drawing and drafting in 2D and 3D, and in the past few years AutoCAD has launched LT, in which it is a cheaper software than the AutoCAD, in which you can do 2D and 3D as well, but AutoCAD LT you will only do the 2D works. So from starting AutoCAD को डाउनलोड कैसे करें या फिर AutoCAD अवेलेबल कैसे हो. So first you have to open your browser. I have Chrome for this. Chrome को ओपन करते ही firstly we will show you how expensive the actual AutoCAD software is. We will talk about the free software later, but I will firstly tell you about how expensive the AutoCAD software is. I have to buy the AutoCAD software. Actually what's there, that it is the AutoCAD LT I showed you. AutoCAD mobile, you can easily get it from the Google Play Store, and these are the various softwares: Shotgun, Revit, PowerMill, Maya, Inventor, InfraWorks, Fusion Lifecycle, Fusion 360, Flame, Civil 3D, Beam 360, 3ds Max. That is available by the Autodesk for this. So we just go to the AutoCAD, and we will think what the AutoCAD price is. So we will visit it in India side and as well as the US side, so we will get an idea of the USA and India prices. So 88,500 Indian rupees is the price of the AutoCAD software for a year, and if you have no license then you can download its free trial, and the free trial is not much that you can buy it. So moving on to the USA site, we will see what's the price there. So you can see the Canadian dollar, that is 2205 Canadian dollar per year. So it's a very high price for this. So we all are not able to download the AutoCAD software at this high price. Yeah, the one who are operating companies, the bigger companies, the engineer of the bigger companies will easily afford this, but the one who are learning it, like the students, uh, like the one which are in colleges, like the teachers of the colleges which have to teach the students, will how afford it. So for this, AutoCAD has been providing the free software for the student and educators, and we will learn it about. So go to menu. Now I will tell you from the 000. So we have to when we have to download the AutoCAD software, what we have to do, we have to just write AutoCAD student version, like I have searched here, AutoCAD student version. Just click on this, just click on the above link, and you will get such type of interface. AutoCAD को जब आपने डाउनलोड करना है, जस्ट सिंपल आपको लिखना है AutoCAD स्टूडेंट वर्जन अपने गूगल पे, एंड यू विल गेट ऐसा कुछ इंटरफेस आपको मिलेगा. Then what you have to do for the Mac, they have written the system requirements. This interface is for Windows. If you have to go to Mac, you have to click on this. For Mac and Mac OS 10.13 High Sierra compatibility is also available. They have modified that for this, so you have to just click on here. So first you have to, if you have don't made the account, you have to create the account. Just click on the create the account. You have to fill your country from here. You have to fill your, you are student, you are educator, you are school IT administrator, you are design competition mentor, or and then your institution time. Then you have to click on next. On the next side, you will get I'll just make it we have to just make it like United States, education role as student, institution type, we have university, date of birth, just anything, yes, and you have to next. And next you will get your first name, last name, email, confirm email, password, I agree to, and you have to create account. After clicking on create account, you will get email regarding this. They will verify, and then you will be here to sign in. They will send you an email that they have verified or not. So sign in. From the sign in, we have created the account, we have verified account, so we are sign in. So here sign in, and you will get this type of interface where these will be open. And this, before this, these are not open. You can click, nothing happens, nothing happens. Okay, so sign in, verify, sign in, and here we will get these things open. I personally recommend you to install the latest version. We will be working on the AutoCAD 2020, but there's not much differences. I recommend you to download the latest version, but you can download as per you required. Here becomes AutoCAD 2020. It's already showing it will be downloaded only on Windows 64-bit. You have to get an i5 Intel Core i5 processor with 8 gen or same Ryzen processor for this, and RAM should be of at least 4 GB to 8 GB so that you can run it easily. Languages, it is available in 14 languages. We will select English and just select your language. We are in India, so we are selecting the English. You can just download serial number, product key, and from this your install now will be open. This will be open till then when you have a verified account. This will be open till then. By clicking on install now, you have to click. Now moving on to the AutoCAD software, how's it interface after downloading, how you will get to this. We will talk about the Learn and Tech and AutoCAD website, but Autodesk website, what are the things available later. हम बाद में उसके बारे में जो है वो बात करेंगे, क्या क्या चीज़ें AutoCAD के सॉफ्टवेयर पे अवेलेबल हैं. So just closing it for now and moving on to the AutoCAD. We have already downloaded it, and as stated, I have the AutoCAD 2020 English version. So just opening it, it will require some time. Till then we will talk about the various features of the AutoCAD or the Autodesk website. I showed you the various things of the Autodesk website. So there are many options on the Autodesk. Then how will you grow? There is option of the students and educators. वहाँ पे एक option है students and educators का. In the students and educators you can easily pursue the AutoCAD and other things. On the other hand, there are the certification courses. It just showed that certification is not free, but yeah, by paying a nominal fee like 2200 Indian rupees or 2500 Indian rupees, you can be certified. You have to clear an exam, you have to clear an online exam, and you will be certified with the Autodesk certificate. So about the certificate we will learn more in the upcoming videos. Today is the introduction video, so we should keep it short. So here is the interface of the AutoCAD. There are 3 sections. Get started. Here we will start the drawing. How we can start the drawings: open files, open a sheet set, get more templates online, explore sample drawing. Then there is recent documents. Then all the recent documents that you have opened will be here, and there is a notification sign. Whenever you will be signed into with the internet through this A360 mode, then you will get the notification to your account, and this is always available in the create section. Create means to create, to produce something. So there is the start drawing section, and from the learn you will get the online things about the like the tutorials that Autodesk provide. Here is the learning tips, getting started videos, and absolutely everything. You can start from this here, everything. So moving on to the create. Now create, you have to open a start drawing. To start a drawing, whether there are the options here also in the AutoCAD icon in the top left corner of the screen. You will get AutoCAD icon, main icon. From by clicking on this, you can get various of options like new. You can get a new drawing. Open, you can open a new drawing. DWG can convert. You will convert the various drawings here. By opening this, you can see you can convert here the drawings. Then a drawing compare, you can compare the drawings, and then recover, you can recover your recent documents, or you can cover your drawings. So here this is AutoCAD. Now there are many options over there. That is the new, open from web and mobile, and here is the sheet set manager, then file, Windows help, like the normal computer screen or normal software has. So we will just start the drawing and just see what the whole other ribbon faces. First of all, this area that is appearing here is called the drawing area. Drawing area, it is limitless. You can see how limitless it is. You can go anywhere else, you can just limit, and you can see how limitless it is. So it is limitless. You have the whole drawing area to create your drawings. These boxes are known as grids. You can off them with the grids. We will talk about it later. There are then these ribbons for you to create the drawings. First of all, taking you to the basics options, we have created this, we have known this. What is this? Then there is a new save as, open from web and store, save to web and mobile plot. There is undo and there is redo. We will understand about it later. Then there is a new, and then there is a save as. And what is it? This is the whole area you have to show. If you are doing the 2D work, then you should be in drafting and annotation. These features are for the 2D. Then you are in 3D basics, you will get everything else that is used for basics. When you are in 3D modeling, you will get डिफरेंट सॉफ्टवेयर. सो आपको जो है इसे बदलते रहना है. फॉर 2D 3D बेसिक्स, 3D मॉडलिंग और क्या है ये सब कुछ आपको जो है वो पता लगेगा. From there you will get a drop down menu to all the things you want to appear here. You will be customizing this, and you will be getting the various softwares appearing there, like this, these and this, and display name, what you have want to display, and something else. So moving on to the drafting and annotation, and all these things can be changed here. You can plot, the plot option is removed. Save, the save option is removed. So what you want to show here, you have to just click on it and it will get selected, and the match properties icon is here. And if you want to remove it, just once again click it and the match properties icon is removed. Okay, so here it is, open save as. We will open the plot option, and one more thing, workspace, and save. Okay, now moving on to the ribbons. What is the ribbons? Ribbons are these whole area. These are the ribbons. You can change a ribbon by taking these option, like minimize to tabs. These are the tabs only, the features available. Minimize to panel titles. These are the panel titles. These are tabs, and in the tabs there are panels, and in the panels these are the titles. And these are the minimize to panel buttons. So these only the panel buttons that are available in the tab. By clicking on it, you will just get your ribbons apart. So the whole area is called the ribbons. In the ribbons there are tabs like home, insert, annotate, parametric, view, manage, output, etc. And in the tabs there are panels like draw, modify, annotation, layer, block, etc. And in the panels there are the icons of the various commands you can use. Here we have the total 6 to 8 types of panels here, like draw, modify, annotation, layers, block, properties. Moreover, for we use the draw panel, modify panel, annotation panel, basically because in the draw you have to create the things. In modify there is the selection. It will make your work easy. In the dimension, in the annotation, you will give the dimension like this. So this is all the introduction, and this is the wheel. You can see the page from the top. By clicking on it, you can see the page from the top. You can display it in the north, east, south, west direction. I will just undo it, and these are the some options, like here full navigation wheel. Basically it is used in the 3D. This is the pan. You can just select and move the screen by pan like this. Just click on the left and just hold it, and you can move the screen. In the AutoCAD you use escape to escape and command. just pressing escape, and the escape command is given. This is also used for 3D, this is also used for 3D, and this is also used for 3D. We will discuss about it later in the video. Then there is a command box. In this you will write the commands, just like I'm giving a basic command of limits. All the basic commands are written here, and by clicking on it you can get the history of all the commands, and you can just select and paste it in the PowerPoint to get the read. Then there is the lower left corner. These are the coordinates of the cursor, like I am here. Then the coordinates of the page are 467,062, and y coordinate is through 3561, and the z coordinate is 0.0. Then there is an option of model or paper space. There are the two space in the AutoCAD. You can switch between them, like this is a paper space, and this is a paper space, and by clicking on this you can get onto the model space. So this is the model space. Then there is the grid snap, border snap. We will discuss about it later. Then there is dynamic input. Now what is dynamic input? Whenever you on this, then whenever you will on this, like this is the dynamic input. Like whenever you will this then the command will appear beside the cursor. So it is, you can on it, and it has a great importance. Later we will talk about it later. Then there is a ortho mode. Ortho mode, just move your cursor, like I selected a line, it will move in a straight line only, like 90 or 180, like 90 or 180, only on two angles, 90 and 180, and 90 and 180. So by clicking it off, we can off the ortho mode, and the line will move in any direction, in any angle. So for the ortho mode, it will move in the perpendicular directions only, 90 and 180, and by switching off this you can move it freely. And now cancelling this is by pressing the escape. Escape is used to cancel the command. Just learn it. Escape is used to cancel the command. Then there is the restrict cursor to specified angle. These are the angles. If your work is like you are creating something which has specified angles, so you can just restrict the cursor into the following angles. It is not of much importance, but yeah, it is used when you have specific drawings. Then this is for the isometric objects. We don't know it, and we will talk it about later. Snapping lines, this is called the product snapping. We will talk about it later. Then there is a snap cursor. We will talk it about also later. Then these are all the settings. These are the ratio in which you are making the drawing. These are the work current switching, annotation monitor. This is the units tab in which you are just making the units. This is the quick properties mode. This is the isolate objects. In the isolation mode we use this, and this is the clean screen to clean the screen. The options appearing here will also be selected, like we have selected the options appearing here from the here. We have selected the ribbons from the here. Then you can also select the objects appearing in the bottom of the screen from the here, like coordinates. These are the coordinates I told you about. If I if I click on it, this will get off, and if I take it, this will have coordinates, like same we have done in the drafting and annotation. This is the model space. Model space will switch into this, like the model is open, snap mode, and all the things you want from here. You can just click on it, and this will be add on, and just for removing you will have to click on this. So it is all the total basic interface of the AutoCAD. Now just a last thing that I want to tell you is about the basic settings of the AutoCAD. So the basic settings of the AutoCAD, for every settings of the AutoCAD you will just have to right click. By clicking the right click, like this is the option you have to just right click, and you will get all the options. Now in the options, this is the basic options of the AutoCAD, like crosshair size. Crosshair was the one plus mark that is appearing before. Okay, you can choose the theme, you can choose the crosshair size and everything else. Crosshair size should be kept between 10 to 15, or you can use the default easily. Then there is open save, on what name your file should be saved, you can select from here. Plot and publish, which printer you are using, and other things are here. We will talk here about it later when we have to save the device. Then one thing else is the selection. Grip size, we will talk about the grips lately, but you have to set the grip size in the medium mode. And this is the big box size, you have to set it in the big box size. Normally you can go with the default settings, but yeah, I recommend you to set it some more than the recommend settings. And this is done. So this is the display size. Okay, when you have to selected everything, you have to just apply and press OK, and you will get a for everything. For the properties of everything, you have to just right click. In the AutoCAD you will get other things, different things whenever you click on which part of the branch, like drawings. This is the save option, like here these are the different option, like here these are the different option, here these are the different options, here these are the different options. So in the AutoCAD you have to just select on, just right click on different things, and you will get the properties. Okay, so here our introduction is closed. I hope you have understood this. I know I have used more English than Hindi, sorry for that, but I think I have used simple English. But if you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment section, and we are very proud to hear from you. And if you have any suggestion, please give it to us so that we can work on this. One last thing, please subscribe to the MCG CAD Works to get more videos like this on the AutoCAD. And there are many videos coming on the AutoCAD topic in some more days. We are making it we are trying to keep it as simple as it can, and we will discuss everything briefly in this AutoCAD tutorials. So it is MCG CAD Works finally waving off. I hope you all get to understand the various things of the AutoCAD, the basic interface of the AutoCAD, how to download this. And once you have downloaded this, just start your AutoCAD journey with us. I hope this journey is best for you. All the best for your future. We will make more videos very soon. Keep subscribed to the channel, press the bell icon, and hope for your best future. Stay